Welcome to Talking Trash. Today we're going to have some fun. We are going to make cleaners. We're going to make some personal care products, things that you'd normally go out to the store and buy. You don't need to do that. You can do it from your own kitchen, which I absolutely love. And it's nothing that's hazardous in here for you. And so most of our houses have quite a bit of that kind of stuff in there. So, and I wish we had smell-o-vision right now. It smells so good in here. Partly because we have essential oils. Let's talk about this a little bit. We have essential oils here. So I have lavender, I have eucalyptus. This is citrus ice, so it smells like citrus and kind of a cool, if that's a smell. I'm not sure if that's a smell. Tea tree oil, one of my favorites. This is a great antibacterial. It's great for clearing your sinuses. I always take it on a trip with me. If there's a lot of people sneezing in the airplane, I just put a little couple sprinkles on like a Kleenex or on my hands and just do that. And it kind of, I feel like it puts up my guard and helps me stay healthy. So that's something that every household should have. Another name for tea tree oil is Melaleuca. So just if you see that name too, that's the same thing. I actually use this to clean my kitchen floors and my kitchen countertops. This and vinegar are my two favorite cleaners. Peppermint, love that smell. That peppermint lavender, this one wakes you up. I like to use this when I'm in the house cleaning or just kind of to get me going in the morning. And lavender, awesome for putting you to sleep and relaxing. So you don't need fancy stuff, you just need essential oils. This is citronella, and this one is peace and calming. It even has a name. I love that. So you can mix different essential oils, and even that's good. You can name it yourself. But just a couple of kind of pay attention to. If you're using this and you're using these around children, just remember that they're smaller and you can absorb these things through your skin, and kids, because they're smaller, it might affect them differently. So you definitely want to maybe dilute it with some more carrier oil like a jojoba oil or that kind of thing instead of using it just on your skin. For example, lavender, if you had a cut on your skin, if you got the therapeutic type of lavender, you can put that on a cut, you can put it on acne, and it really clears it up, but you probably wouldn't want to do that with kids. Another thing, peppermint. If you're using peppermint, and I've done this before, so I'm telling you from experience, if you get peppermint on your hands, and then you go, oh man, my eye itches, and you do this, don't do that. Because it hurts. You get that in your eye, and what's the first thing you want to do? You want to put water to wash it out. Do not do that, because speaking by experience, you don't want to do that. What happens is that drives it in even further. So you want to get just a little oil, whether it's almond oil or even a little bit of olive oil, put it on a Q-tip, and then open your eye and just pull it out that way. Or you can just put it in your eye, the oil in your eye, because that'll come out easily, but that's the carrier oil that'll take it out of your eye. So that's two really important things. Be careful around kids, and just because it's really concentrated, essential oils are very, very, very concentrated, and so that concentration can be it can cause an irritation, and so you just want to pay attention to that. And then the thing with especially peppermint oil or citrus oils, but just be careful around your eyes. You don't want to stick your fingers in your eyes. So our first thing that we're going to make is we're going to make a laundry spot remover. Really, really simple. That's why I love this so much. So we have 1.5 cups of water. So we have I have already pre-measured 1.5 cups of oil, 1.5. So I'm going to put 1.5 cups of water. Pretty easy. Everybody has that at their house. We have 1/4 cup of Castile soap, and if you don't have Castile soap, I'm going to just use this. You can use your own kind of grease cutting soap, and so we want 1/2 cup of that. And if you don't have a full 1/2 cup, you can maybe use both. Use the regular detergent that you have and Castile. But that's soap, and I need some glycerin, and glycerin is just going to help kind of disperse it a bit. So I'm going to put 1/4 cup in there, just a little bit. And then, what's your favorite essential oil? So 5 to 10 drops, and I'm gonna use peppermint. Of course, that's my favorite, or one of my favorites. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it smells so good. And it's just really simple. It doesn't, it just looks like soapy water, basically. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that in whatever container you want. If you have a old ketchup container or a bottle like this, you just make sure you get this. And I would use this pitcher, dump it in here, pour it in here. Easy as that. That's your pre-spotter. So have fun and make it in your kitchen. Thanks, have a great day.